Most automation projects don't fail because of the technology. They fail because of who you choose to deliver them. And the difference between a good automation partner and a bad one. It shows up later, in downtime, frustration, and cost. When companies choose an automation partner, they often focus on price, speed, or who can just get it done. But automation systems aren't short-term decisions. They affect your operation for years. And if they're done wrong, you live with the consequences every day. A good partner doesn't just make systems that work. They make systems that are easy to fault find, easy to understand, and easy to maintain. Because the real test isn't commissioning day, it's year 3 when something goes wrong. They think about how quickly faults can be diagnosed, how systems behave under pressure, and how to minimize failure points. Everything is built around one goal: keeping your operation running. Good partners don't reinvent the wheel every time. They standardize PLC code, panel layouts, and documentation, so your engineers don't have to relearn systems across sites. You open the panel, and everything makes sense. Logical layout, clear labeling, proper documentation. No guesswork, no confusion. And the documentation they provide isn't just drawings for the sake of it. It helps your team diagnose faults quickly, understand the system, and make changes safely. A good partner doesn't disappear after handover. They support you long term. They become part of how your operation runs. Now, what to avoid? The cheapest option. Cheap up front often means expensive later. Poor design, more downtime, more maintenance headaches. Overcomplicated systems. If only one person understands it, that's a risk. Complex systems mean slower fault finding and more downtime. No standardization. If every project is different, your engineers struggle, training becomes harder, and downtime increases. Poor or missing documentation. If your team can't understand the system, you've already got a problem. If support ends after commissioning, you're on your own when things go wrong. A good automation partner doesn't just deliver a system. They deliver something that works long term, something your team can rely on, something that reduces downtime, not creates it. If you're looking at automation projects or dealing with systems that are causing problems, it's worth asking, was this designed to work on day 1 or to work for the next 10 years? If you want systems that are clear, reliable, and built for real-world use, that's exactly what we do at Stratos. Stratos Controls, industrial automation, built for reliability.